Many vacations and carefree lifestyles start in Elkhart, Indiana, the RV capital of the world. The hub of recreational vehicle production set a record in 2022 with more than 600,000 towable RVs and motorhomes shipped. But when an accident happens or a storm damages a long oversized RV part, getting replacement pieces for those critical repair jobs throughout the country becomes crucial. And that's when Flat World RVX, a division of the logistics provider Flat World Global Solutions, can make a difference to a family waiting to use their camper.
Flat World Global Solutions RVX service is a cross-dock operation. We do pick up these shipments directly from the manufacturer, bring them to a dock, cross the dock, and then load them out on a delivery trailer. The difference between that and normal LTL, less than truckload networks, is they're doing that cross-dock operations 2, 3, or even 4 times. Shipment gets picked up, it gets brought back to a terminal, reloaded out to a metro area where it's distributed, reloaded to another metro area where it's redistributed again, and then put on a delivery truck to the ultimate consignee. Our one cross-dock handling goes right into the trailer that ultimately will back into a dealer's dock and deliver that shipment damage-free on time.
RVX is a custom transportation solution created to handle over-dimensional RV parts. The specific solution is geared towards handling parts that are greater than 14 feet in length or 100 inches tall that don't work well within a traditional carrier's network, and providing those shipments to those customers and dealers damage-free on the first try.
Somewhere there's somebody who wants to use their RV and can't. You would have our employees up at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night tracking shipments to try to make sure it would get delivered in time because the dealer needed to get that part put on so somebody could make their trip.
Our 44-door facility in Elkhart, Indiana is strategically placed to service the RV industry. It also provides us a location to safely handle these RV parts with minimal handling and using specific equipment to safely handle the RV parts. Having such a large volume of RV manufacturers in such a small geographic area really provides the opportunity to provide this type of service.
While there are greater economies of scale and efficiencies in a traditional LTL network, the fact that those LTL networks cannot aptly handle these long crates, these oversized crates, or these crates that shouldn't be touched with a forklift, 100% on time and damage-free, offsets all those multiple shipments in a normal network that have to be made just to make one dealer repair to get an RV back on the road.